Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily remove your language keyboard from your Windows. So for doing this you just need to go to this menu and just find your keyboard languages, so just tap on them and here you need to choose language preferences and just wait until it will load. So now you just choose from this list language you want to delete, so for example this one, France, and just tap on remove, and here you can see that we successfully remove our language. So let's check if it removed from our keyboard language here. So yes, it successfully removed from this list too. So this is the way how you can delete your language, your keyboard language from your Windows. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.